most famous physical therapist on the internet.
Hi, folks. I'm Bob Shump, physical therapist.
Brad Heineck, physical
And
therapist.
together we are the most famous physical therapists on the internet.
In our opinion, of course, Bob.
Brad, what are we going to talk about today?
Bob, we're going to talk about neck strengthening and stability of the neck, which all revolves around good posture as well. The neck can be a hard muscle group or muscle groups to strengthen, and we're going to show you an easy way to do it that works really well, and you need no equipment.
Before we do that, we are doing a
Oh.
giveaway this week of the C2 massage gun.
There you
This is
go.
a Bob Brad product, and it comes with 5 different heads that are easy enough to just pop in, and then you got to hold the button for 3 seconds, and then she starts up. You got percussion.
Oh,
It's
yes.
great for massaging any part of the body, Brad.
Except for the neck.
That's right.
You do
That's
not
right.
want to massage your neck or your head.
Good
or-
point.
Yeah, there's a few
You
spots.
can hit the upper traps,
Yeah.
but do not hit the neck because it'll bounce along and
Yeah, you might hurt your
it
neck.
won't feel that
So
good.
be careful. We do have a video on what parts of your body not to
Right.
massage. There are some, and it's a nice video. So should we get on with
Yeah.
neck stability? Now, if you've had a weekend from an illness, a surgery, an injury of some sort, this will definitely be applicable. You might just test your neck, and there's an easy way to test your neck for strength and see where you're at.
Let's do that.
Okay then, Bob. Oh, good.
Brad, interesting enough, I mean, I found my neck size went down a whole inch over time.
Really?
Yeah, and
quit eating
it
so
did
much.
get weak.
Oh, yeah, as
So
part
I
of the
became
aging
a
process.
pencil neck geek.
Yeah. Now, you really should do this on a carpeted floor is best, not on your bed. We're going to do it here is for ease of filming. So you're going to lie flat on your back, okay, and you're going to keep your chin tucked in so your head's in the neutral position. That's a good posture position. Lift your head off of the floor 1 inch. You know, you can just kind of feel back in there. So
Right.
I'm not doing
You
this.
can estimate.
Just enough to get your fingers in there, and then you take a timer and you click go and just hold it. Now, they've done studies on this, and they've done it, I don't know, hundreds of people. I don't know the
Sure.
exact number. I didn't get that, but it's an easy study. 39 seconds was the average that people could hold their head up. And I did this, and it's like, I got the 30 seconds, and I knew I was going to make 39, but it's like, this is a lot harder than I anticipated.
And I was telling Brad before the show that I actually started doing curls. Brad, you want to show how to do a curl?
Oh, we're doing these?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I would bring my head straight up.
Yeah.
My neck got so sore after a couple weeks. It took me a couple more weeks before it finally calmed down.
Yeah, and get those muscles strengthened up.
Strong enough, yes.
So let's say you could do this, and by 20 seconds, it's like, oh my God. You know, you probably want to work on these exercises. Now, we want to work more than just strengthening moving forward. We want to work all the muscle groups throughout the neck, front, sides, and back. So this is what I'd like you to do to start with. So we're just going to, get your timer out again. I would not do it by repetitions because it's an isometric quasi exercise. Hold it up, tuck the chin in. Make sure you're not doing this or you're not doing this. That's critical because we want to maintain and promote good posture. Here, set your timer, hold it for 30 seconds. And if you can do it, once you get to 30 seconds, then I want you to add slow rotation while maintaining that good chin tuck posture. And that's going to force your neck muscles to work further out into the groups. And
how many times, Brad?
This, till your 30 seconds is up or 10 repetitions.
So you start right away.
Yeah. And my neck is getting tired already.
Sure.
It's really interesting.
Yeah, it's amazing. You don't work your neck during the
Yeah,
day.
yeah, and just gravity like this is doing a wonderful job. Then you roll over to one side. Don't let your head here and not up in here. Gonna get it in line. If you have a mirror or someone to help you to make sure you have that neutral position, again, tuck your chin in slightly so you maintain that good posture. So your ears would be over your shoulders if you're standing up. And then you can just hold it here for 30 seconds. If that gets too easy, then you can add the rotation here, and it's slow, good, controlled motion. And you're going to feel more muscles going to work. And after you do one side, it's important and absolutely necessary that you do the other side And oops, I gotta get. How does my alignment look, Bob?
You're a little bit low, I
A little
think.
bit low. I'm gonna bring it
There.
up. There
Yep.
we go. So again, getting some feedback from someone else, or if you can get a mirror in
Yeah,
front of you.
right.
And then finally, we're going to work in the hands and knees position like this. You know, if you wanted to, if this wasn't possible or comfortable, you could get some pillows or even a exercise ball and rest your chest on it.
Or an ottoman.
Yep.
Yep.
But this way, I think most people will have no problem with this. Hopefully, you'd bring your chin up and get that neutral position. We're not looking up.
Yep.
Chin up here. Does that look like a neutral position?
Pretty
Bob?
good, Brad.
Yep.
Yep.
And again, 30 seconds here. And then we're going to rotate.
This is a great posture one also.
Yep. Now this one, there's one other option that works out well. You can maintain, and while you're maintaining that 30 seconds, get some
Yeah.
motion with your
And
arms.
again, that's going to work the upper traps
Yep.
in the muscles that hold the shoulder blade together.
Yeah. And
So
it's
it's
just
going to be great for posture.
right. It's more complete. You know, if you want to combine this, you can rotate at the
Right.
same time. And you know, pardon? Yeah, both at the same time.
Yeah,
And hold
yeah.
it. Good. Tanner was giving a wonderful suggestion. I'll work on that.
You know, you could actually be laying flat on your stomach and do the same thing. You could hold your head
Yeah,
up.
yeah. If your nose isn't too
Yeah.
big and you hit
Yeah.
and you hit the ground, or put a pillow under your chest to raise that chest up. Yeah, or hang your head over the bed.
I'd say a pillow under the chest.
Sure,
Would probably be
sure.
the best idea. Right.
All right. Well, good luck with that strengthening and that posture, and be strong like bull. And
And remember, Brad and I can fix just about anything.
oh, except for
A broken heart.
that's right. And this exercise isn't going to do anything for that either. Sorry. Next time.